Hey, Facebook friends. Have you guys ever wondered why sometimes you lose your Facebook account? Well, it's not always your fault. Sometimes there might just be a call center of a bunch of hackers somewhere that are looking over your profile. Have you guys ever wondered why you got followers on Facebook? And it's like, why are they following me? They're fake accounts. What benefit would a fake account have to follow you? Well, the reason they follow you is you must have something to lose. You must have like a Facebook group with a bunch of people in it. You might have a bunch of videos. You might have a really nice Facebook profile that they want that's got lots of people in it. And this is what they're doing. So as a team, what they're doing is they're working together to report your Facebook so that Facebook will remove your Facebook or remove your access. And then when they're following you and they see a message notification pop up on their screen that says, hey, this person's having some issues, they come over to help you out. Now, how would they see the issue? Because you actually are the one that posts about it. So I'm actually going to do a post here in a little bit. It's going to be my mousetrap. I'm actually going to catch some of them, and I'll show you guys the process on how this works. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretend that I lost my Facebook business page. And I'm going to go to my personal profile and I'm going to put a video up that says, guys, I lost my Facebook profile. I didn't do anything. And then all of you guys are going to comment back, oh my gosh, Tyson, you need to do this. So you're going to give me all these reasons and things that I need to do. And then you just watch in the comments. Those scammers that have been following me are going to comment, hey, my friend over at Instagram for $50 can get your account back. Guys, that's how you catch them. So when they start commenting, you start reporting. Every person that says, hey, for $50, I know how you get your account back. So I'm basically setting up a mousetrap. I'm using AI so that I can write a convincing message to you right now so that you guys actually believe that I lost my Facebook account, because I'm having a hard time lying to you. So I just wanted to show you guys right now that I told AI, I said, write me a post for my Facebook friends to see that will convince my friends I have lost access to my Facebook business page and that I did nothing wrong to deserve it to be taken away. So I'm going to go ahead and have my AI build me something that I can send to you guys because I need it to be convincing. Okay. So let's see what AI comes up with here. I hope it's convincing. All right, let's see what it came up with. You know, some days are just plain surprising. Remind me never to trust algorithms. Yep. Unexpectedly, I've lost access to my Facebook business page. There seems to be a little mix-up on their end. Before you jump into wrong conclusions, hold your horses. Yours truly is an innocent as a freshly baked loaf of bread. I haven't played any foul game or done anything that breaches the rules. It's just one of those techie glitches that Facebook sometimes throws into the mix. Keeps us on our toes, right? I really like what AI is doing here because it's not coming across like I'm blaming the scammers. It's making it seem like it's all my fault. I want them to fall right in my trap. As of now, I'm in touch with Facebook trying to untangle this latest mystery. I wanted to make sure guys understood so that you didn't think I'd become a digital hermit or got abducted by aliens for exclusive tech knowledge. Guys, this is so true. See, most of you guys probably look at my Facebook and see that I only have 1,000 friends. Well, and you guys probably haven't even seen me for 10 years. You guys haven't seen some of the successes that I've had online with my different companies. Some of you I've known for a long time because I had a business profile and I had a personal profile. And years ago, I found out that my friends were not my cheerleaders. So I moved on. I actually did big things in my life over the last 10 years. And I actually had great success online. But last June, my Facebook account with over 5,000 friends, if Facebook would let me have more, I would have had 20,000. My Facebook groups that had multiple Facebook groups with tens of thousands of people in them were taken away from me overnight by Facebook for no reason. It was probably because of one of these scammers. So we're gonna do a little video back on them. But I lost all these Facebook groups, right? When I got my other Facebook back, my personal one, I actually went back to my personal one. I downgraded to 300 friends. And then most of you are like, wow, what's he doing? All this business stuff, right? So some of you haven't been following me for the last 10 years. You don't know the successes that I've had. So you better wake up because I'm about ready to go viral on YouTube. But anyways, I just want to let you guys know that you guys are on my new Facebook profile. This is my real profile. And I'm about ready to catch these guys. And I'm going to show you guys how, because I know this happens to people all the time. Meanwhile, I'm going to go ahead and read this. Meanwhile, let's stay connected here on my personal profile because software glitches are no match for human connections. Thank you for your understanding and support. You don't know how much it means to me, though, these testing times. Thank you for your understanding and support. You don't know how much it means to me through these testing times. Sending you love and light and hoping to resolve this baffling issue super fast. See you on the other side. So I just want to let you guys know, I'm not doing this to prank you. I'm doing this to catch the scammers that take away people's Facebook accounts, and they do it as a team because once they get rid of your Facebook, I don't know if you guys knew this. I'm going to give you guys a nugget. Okay, I'm going to give you guys a nugget because I like you guys. When your Facebook is taken away, your Facebook groups are orphaned. If you don't claim them back within 30 days and those scammers can keep you off Facebook, they can then have the rights to take over your Facebook. So you can have Facebook groups with 20,000, 50,000. My biggest group had 50,000 people in it, and they got it. They actually took my Facebook account and did what they wanted to do with it. And some of my personal information is still on that Facebook group. Other than when you lose a Facebook group, the banner and all the images that your profile had go away, but the Facebook pages stay. But I'll tell you guys this, when I came back, I wanted some of my Facebook groups back. So what I did is I actually found out how to go find my groups that I had before, and I was able to take those groups back. So I know the scammers can take over orphan groups. Could you guys imagine if there's some orphan Facebook groups online and you guys own a business? What it would do for your business if you took over that group of 50,000 and changed the banner on the top, and then you could promote your business, couldn't you? That would be instant following, wouldn't it? Look, I don't see anything wrong with doing that because the group is already, Facebook deleted the person's account and the account's available, right? Right? It's unclaimed. And if someone doesn't claim it within 60 days, Facebook will assign it to somebody in that group. So I think you guys kind of caught on. The scammers also join all of your groups. So if they're following you and they're a scammer, you can tell by looking at their profiles. So go right now, look at your Facebook profile. Look for the profiles that look like fake accounts, but cross-check and see if they're in your Facebook groups also. They're waiting to get rid of you so that when the 60 days is up, Facebook will assign them to the group as admin. How does Facebook know who to give the group to? The most active person in the group. Or after 30 days, there's a way to manually beat the rush. And after 30 days, you can take over the group. So you have a 30-day head start on anybody else in the group to take it over. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to show you guys the rest. Keep watching because I'm going to show you this mousetrap works and we're going to capture them. If you guys liked this video and you had this happen to you or it's happened to a friend, I want you to share this video with them. We need to make awareness. And Facebook's going to see this. I have a feeling that Facebook might even know about this. But why would they tell us? Because they want our money. Because if we pay Facebook, if they put fear in us that if we pay for our Facebook accounts, right, that this won't happen to us, they're going to make more money, right? Does that make sense? Guys, do you think Facebook wants to get rid of the scammers? That's why when you report things that are not supposed to be on Facebook, they say there's nothing against it. We don't care about what they're doing. But they would rather listen to the scammers because every time we lose our accounts, it makes us think maybe I should pay for that Meta. What if I paid for that Meta? Maybe I would be good if I paid for the Meta. Maybe I'd be okay. Does that make sense? I pay for the Meta. I'm okay. I have people that tell me, Tyson, as I'm trying to build my profile back up from 3,000 to 5,000, which I'll tell you this, it's really hard to do when everybody thinks they're already your friend, so they think the account that I have now is fake. It's tough coming from the bottom. But they say, Tyson, because you didn't have the blue meta on your profile, I didn't know it was real. So already people are feeling like they have to have the blue mark or else their friends won't accept them as a friend. Sounds to me like Facebook's on their side, right? But anyways, share this with your friends. I'm going to show you guys the rest of the mousetrap. What we're going to do next is I'm going to show you guys how this post worked, how you guys commented on it, and I'm going to show you guys every time we catch a new scammer. Thanks for watching this portion. Don't stop because we're going more. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. All right, guys, this is it. This is where we have fun, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to grab this post. And we're going to bring it over here to the mousetrap. And we're going to put my name here at the bottom. Sorry to do this to you guys, but I'm not trying to prank you guys. Just trying to...
No, I pushed that meeting back.
Trying to capture the bad guys, okay? So now if you look over here, I'm going to go ahead and do with gratitude, Tyson Curtis. All that stuff looks good. And you know what I might even do? I might even just give my business a little shout out because I could use some followers over there at the Viral Mentors Club where we teach you how to go viral on all the platforms. You guys can click on that in the post. But please do a comment and a like and tell me what you guys think about these people who do this for a living. And share this with people that you care about. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next. You guys see I got a nice mousetrap there. And I'm going to go ahead and share this to a couple other pages. And I'm going to post. The mousetrap is set. So now that this is on my news feed, nice beautiful post. It's being shared to everybody right now. I should have used the highlight code. And I don't know if this will help. But I think I'm going to go down.
Everyone code or highlight?
What's that, Lawrence?
You got everyone code.
Yeah, I can do the everyone if I was in a Facebook group, but I'm actually on my personal page. So I can do highlights or I can do the followers. As you guys can see, we're actually in one of our trainings right now at the Viral Mentors Club. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select followers. Yes. Don't I want to catch them? Come, all honest followers, and help me solve this issue. And then I'll just have to be a little sad today. Because now I just sent a link out to all the followers. So I basically scattered a bunch of little bait all the way to their little hole, all the way to my mousetrap. Stay tuned for the next video.
Hello sir, good afternoon sir, how are you doing? You are having problem with your computer. You are putting the laptop too much outside. Outside it is getting little too much hot. Little too much hot.
Good news! We're coming back. It's 2 hours later. We've actually caught 2 of those scammers with the mousetrap so far. Many more to come. The way you guys can help is grab the link in the description, share it with your friends, your buddies, anyone that you know that might be going through the same thing that I went through. I actually built this post. I'm not even going through the challenge right now, but I know other people are going through it, and I've been through it. It was about a year ago, like I said earlier, it was back in June. I lost my complete following, my 14-year-old Facebook account, had all my family stuff, all my business stuff. I mean, literally, it was my business, guys. I had a site called howtofacebook.net where I taught people how to build large Facebook groups. I had a good following. Facebook actually just started paying me for my videos. I was 3 months in getting paid by them for my videos, and then boom, it's gone. Probably because some of these scammers out there, they like to create profiles of you, and then they like to clone them, and then they like to tell Facebook that you're acting like you're them when actually they're acting as you. So let's just go down here. You guys will see all these nice comments. These are all friends that are looking out for me. They don't know what's going on. I kind of feel bad. You know, I kind of tricked them into doing these comments here, but I needed some interaction to get the post started. But who is this? I don't know Myron. Myron's never messaged me before. Myron says, OMG, I have a family friend who is an IC3 at Meta. Send him a message at Vibrant Cody's on Instagram. He works with Meta Recovery Team. He can help. No, he can't. You're a scammer. If I look at your profile right here, you can see the little @ symbol. And then the Vibrant Cody's, there's a space between that. The reason he did that is because he didn't actually want to tag his buddy, because then Facebook would see that he's tagging, and then his buddy's Facebook, or his buddy's Facebook and his buddy's Instagram would be shut down since they're together. Look at this. There's his buddy profile. It says, sorry, this page isn't available. His buddy's profile's already shut down. He's already changing it right now as we speak. Then we got Candace down here trying to save the world. FB are so frustrating. I would like to recommend this guy on Instagram. Why are they always on Instagram? Why aren't your people on Facebook? Facebook and Instagram are connected. What part of Instagram helps your scam? I want to know. If you guys know, let me know. Okay? So what part of Instagram, why do they like to use it? So I'll tell you what happens next. Since I've told you guys before, earlier in this video, I told you that they were going to say Instagram. Both of these say Instagram. It was like 20 minutes, or actually like 10 to 15 minutes Myron posted, and then Candace posted within 30 minutes. That tells me that they have a call center or something, and they're all working together, and they probably work this 8 hours a day, and they're just ready, waiting for your post. So they're following you, and as soon as they see your post, kind of like the one I did, they jump on it with a link, because they're all working together to send business to the Instagram account, and then they'll say, hey, for $50 I can help you. Guess what, guys? They can't help you. They're not with Facebook. They just want your $50. Now they got $50 on your way out. The next step is for them to take your Facebook groups. So I hope this has helped you guys. Share the heck out of this video, and let's go viral. Let's get our content to go viral, the good stuff. Let's block out the bad. So anyways, thanks for supporting. Find the links below if you want to see more on these comments, and follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel at theviralmentorsclub.com, viralmentorsclub.com, or go grab yourself a free account over at theviralmentorsclub.com, and we have all of our Facebook training there is free.
Hello, my name is Kamil Habib Hibab. I am calling from Microsoft Corporation. Please go buy gift cards and email me PIN numbers to gift cards to win free vacation.